Good evening, everyone. It's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Vegas. We're going to visit the Grand Bazaar Shops located on the Las Vegas Strip. The shops are located at the intersection of Flamingo Road and Las Vegas Boulevard, or the Strip. It's surrounded by some hotels like Caesars, the Cromwell, Bally's, Paris, Bellagio. It's pretty much center strip and in the middle of everything. The Grand Bazaar Shops are kind of like a glorified flea market with restaurants. You thumb through some inexpensive items that you think you absolutely must have. You pack them. When you get home, you unpack, you put them in your garage, and forget you ever bought them. Come on, you know exactly what type of items I'm talking about. You have plenty of them in your garage or in your drawers somewhere. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Some of the restaurants here at the Grand Bazaar Shops are Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken, Dirt Dogs, Giordano's Italian Restaurant, Pizza, Ramen Ya, there's a Subway and a Wahlburgers, which we just passed. There's quite a few specialty food places like Ben & Jerry's, Chocolate Chair, Golden Puffs, It's Sugar, which we'll visit in a second, and Marsh Ice Creams, as well as Popcorn Girl. There's also a few bars we're going to walk past, such as Born and Raised Craft Pub, Fuel Bar, Island Time Floats, Tiki Bar and Tacos. There's a Sin City Brewing Company, and quite a few places to stop in for a drink as well. There's also quite a few clothing stores. No, you're not going to find Chanel or Dior, but you will find Black Clover, CBY, Lindbergh, Rock Cinema, they're known for their t-shirts, Superdry, Tac 702, and Expressions. There's also quite a few accessory shops. You're not going to find that Coach bag or that Louis Vuitton wallet, but you will find Alex and Annie, Black Clover, Havaianas, Sunglass Hut, and Tags. There's also lots of stops that you can make as far as finding things to do as far as tours. There's Smokies, which is a smoke shop. There's a cat and dog accessory shops. There's a vape shop. There's the usual souvenir shops, and quite a few other places to visit here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. If you do plan on visiting the Grand Bazaar Shops, check out their website. I'll put a link below in the description. They have quite a few coupons and deals going on, whether it's restaurants or tours or features like that. There's also a canopy here that does a LED light show. I think it's like every 15 or 20 minutes. It's not quite the Bellagio fountains, and I wouldn't make a special trip for it, but if you happen to be in the Grand Bazaar Shops mall, check it out while you're here. It's pretty cool. Speaking of the Bellagio, that's the beautiful Bellagio right across the street, or the Strip here. It's dead center, and to the right of that is Caesar's Palace, also right across the street. And now we're coming upon It's Sugar. It's Sugar is located on many places along the Strip. This one happens to have a cool moving sculpture at its entrance, and it makes for a good photo opportunity, or a video opportunity for that matter. By the way, It's Sugar is not to be confused with your doctor's office, which is where you'll find It's Diabetes. A couple of quick shout-outs to people who found my hidden mascots in these videos on the channel. D. Vieira, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in the monorail video. Chapiric, who found her at the Sahara video. And Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl at Gillies and T.I. and God knows how many other videos. And then there's John Torres, who went way back to my New Orleans videos and found Cray Cray the Crawfish at Harrah's New Orleans. Congratulations, guys, and keep looking for those hidden mascots. By the way, overhead are the canopies that have that LED light show and music show. So hey, thanks for watching. I have a show to catch across the street at the New York. It's a Cirque du Soleil show called Zoomanity. It's a Cirque du Soleil adult show. That will be my next video coming up sometime this week, so make sure you check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.